Most of us have that one color we return to when we do not know what to wear. The color we trust when we want to feel safe. The color we choose when we do not want to make the wrong decision. The color we buy because we know we will use it. The black bag, the black coat, the black trousers, the black dress, the black shoes. For years, black was not just a color in our wardrobes, it was certainty. It was protection. It was the answer we reached for when we wanted to look elegant, serious, put together, and impossible to question. But in 2026, something is changing. Black is not disappearing, but another color has started taking the same place in fashion. The place of the safe, elegant color. The color people are buying when they want something timeless, expensive looking, and easy to wear. Welcome to GTWJ. Hi, I'm Ju, and before we begin, grab a cup of coffee, tea, or something nice to drink and settle in. Today we are talking about the colour replacing black in 2026, and that colour is brown. And the reason this matters is because black has always been more than a trend. Black became the colour people used when they wanted control. Think about it. When you do not know what to wear to dinner, you think of black. When you want a bag that works with everything, you think of black. When you want shoes that feel safe, you think of black. When you want to look slimmer, sharper, more serious, more polished, more elegant, people often reach for black. Black became the colour of certainty. It is the colour that says, I know what I am doing. I am not trying too hard. I'm not making a mistake. And that is why people became so attached to it, because fashion is not only about looking good, it is also about feeling protected. Sometimes we wear black because we love it, but sometimes we wear black because we are afraid of choosing wrong, afraid of standing out too much, afraid of buying something we will regret, afraid that another colour will not feel as elegant. So black became the safest form of style. And that is why brown replacing black is so interesting. Because it tells us that people are still looking for elegance. They are still looking for versatility. They're still looking for a colour that works. But they want it to feel different, softer, warmer, more textural, more human, less harsh, less cold, less severe. That is the emotional shift. Brown does not replace black by becoming black. It replaces black by offering the same feeling of security with a different atmosphere. Black gives sharpness, brown gives richness, black gives severity, brown gives warmth, black creates contrast, brown creates depth. Black can sometimes make an outfit feel colder. Brown often makes the outfit feel more inviting. And in 2026, that difference matters because fashion is moving away from clothes that feel too perfect, too distant, too untouchable. People still want luxury. They still want elegance. They still want to look put together, but they want it to feel more natural, more lived in, more approachable, more connected to real life. That is why brown is everywhere. Chocolate brown, espresso brown, warm brown, suede brown, dark caramel, coffee tones, deep cocoa. These colours are taking over because they do what black used to do, but with more softness. And you can see this most clearly in accessories. A brown bag has become one of the strongest wardrobe choices right now. For years, if someone wanted an investment bag, the safest answer was black. Black was the practical choice, the serious choice, the one you could justify. But now, warm brown and espresso brown bags are becoming just as desirable because they still feel timeless, but they also feel more interesting. A brown bag with cream looks rich. With white, it looks soft. With denim, it looks easy. With black, it creates depth. With beige, it looks tonal. With navy, it looks refined. With pink, it becomes romantic. With yellow, it becomes warmer. Brown has range, but unlike black, it does not always create such a hard stop in the outfit. It blends, it softens. It warms the entire look. That is why brown leather, brown suede, and brown accessories feel so powerful right now. They make outfits look expensive without making them look severe. The same thing is happening with shoes. Black loafers will always be classic. Black boots will always be useful. Black sandals will always have their place. But brown shoes are becoming more important because they give the outfit a softer ending. A brown loafer with denim feels warmer than black. A brown sandal with white linen feels more natural. A brown boot with cream trousers feels more expensive. A brown heel with a soft dress feels less harsh. This is the kind of difference that seems small but changes the whole feeling of the outfit. And that is why color matters so much. Color does not only decorate an outfit, color changes the emotional temperature of an outfit. Black can cool the outfit down, brown warms it, black can sharpen the outfit, brown deepens it. Black can make the outfit feel more formal. Brown can make it feel more relaxed while still being elegant. And in a moment where fashion is becoming more interested in ease, texture, softness, and real wearability, brown makes sense. This is exactly why brands associated with quiet luxury and refined dressing have leaned so heavily into brown. The Row, Loro Piana, Hermes, Kaiti, Saint Laurent, you see brown in suede jackets, leather bags, soft knits, coats, belts, loafers, trousers, cashmere. Brown has become one of the main colours of modern luxury, not because it is loud, not because it is shocking, but because it makes clothes feel rich without needing to announce themselves. And that is the new role brown is playing. It is becoming the colour people choose when they want elegance without coldness. If you are enjoying this way of understanding fashion, this is exactly what the architecture of fashion is built around. The Architecture of Fashion is my complete digital book, separate from the membership, where we go far beyond these videos and explore fabric, silhouette, proportion, movement, color, visual psychology, garment construction, and why clothing actually works. And if you want to keep learning with us every week, we also have GTWJ Unfiltered Plus. That is the membership where you get every new GTWJ issue, access to previous issues, our weekly GTWJ Unfiltered podcast, exclusive style files, and the members community where you can ask questions and continue the conversation with us. The Architecture of Fashion is the complete digital book. GTWJ Unfiltered Plus is the ongoing membership. They are two different experiences, and everything is linked below. Now, the reason brown works so well is because it is connected to texture. This is one of the most important parts of the trend. Black can look beautiful in almost anything. Black wool, black leather, black cotton, black satin, black denim. But brown becomes especially powerful when the material has depth. Brown suede, brown leather, brown cashmere, brown wool, brown silk, brown knitwear, brown linen. Brown looks rich because it allows texture to show. A black suede bag can be beautiful, but a brown suede bag often shows the softness of the material more clearly. A black coat can look sharp, but a brown coat can show warmth, depth, and fabric quality in a different way. A black knit can feel minimal, but a brown knit can feel comforting and luxurious. This is why brown feels so connected to the current direction of fashion. Fashion is becoming more tactile. People want clothing that looks like it has feeling, not just clean lines, not just perfect basics, not just minimal shapes, but fabric that looks soft, leather that looks warm, suede that looks rich, knitwear that looks comforting, and brown supports that beautifully. It is a color that makes texture visible. That is something black does not always do in the same way. Black can flatten details, it can hide seams, it can hide texture, it can make everything look clean, but sometimes it also makes everything look the same. Brown gives more dimension. That is why the shift from black to brown is not only a color trend, it is a texture trend, it is a feeling trend, it is a wardrobe psychology trend. It tells us that people are moving toward elegance that feels softer and more alive. And this is where the change becomes personal, because maybe for years, black was your safety. Maybe black was the color you wore because you knew it would work. Maybe black was the color you trusted because you did not want to think too much. And there is nothing wrong with that. Black is still beautiful. Black is still powerful. Black will never disappear from fashion. But brown gives you another option. An option that still feels elegant, still feels refined, still feels timeless, but does not carry the same emotional hardness. And sometimes that is exactly what a wardrobe needs. Not a complete reinvention, not a whole new identity, just a different kind of safety. A softer safety, a warmer safety, a color that still feels grown and expensive but less guarded. That is why brown feels right now. Because many people are tired of fashion that feels too cold, too perfect, too distant, too polished in a way that almost removes the person from the clothes. Brown brings the person back. It feels closer to skin, earth, leather, wood, coffee, chocolate, suede, warmth. It has something human in it. That is why it is replacing black in so many wardrobes. Not because black failed, but because the emotional need changed. For years, people wanted the certainty of black. Now, they still want certainty, but they also want warmth. And brown gives both. So how do you actually wear brown? The easiest way is to start where most people already start, with black. Accessories: a brown bag, brown loafers, a brown belt, brown sunglasses, brown sandals, a brown suede jacket. You do not need to rebuild your entire wardrobe in brown. You can simply start replacing the places where you would automatically choose black. If you normally wear a black bag with cream trousers, try brown. If you normally wear black loafers with denim, try brown. If you normally buy a black belt, try warm brown. If you want a darker coat but black feels too harsh, try espresso brown. This is how the shift enters a wardrobe naturally, not through forcing yourself to abandon black, but through asking, would this outfit feel softer in brown? Would it feel richer? Would it feel warmer? Would it feel less severe? That question changes everything, because once you start seeing brown this way, you understand why fashion is leaning into it. It is not just another trend color. It is becoming one of the main languages of elegance in 2026. Before you go, I also want to remind you about GTWJ Unfiltered, our weekly podcast. That is where we move beyond outfit recommendations and have bigger conversations about fashion, luxury, beauty, confidence, lifestyle, culture, and everything shaping the way we dress and live today. You can now send us your own questions and discussion topics throughout the week, whether it is something happening in fashion, luxury, confidence, beauty, lifestyle, or simply a conversation you would love us to explore. We would genuinely love to hear from you, and it may become part of a future episode. And if you want the full membership experience, GTWJ Unfiltered Plus includes the weekly podcast, every new GTWJ issue, access to previous issues, exclusive style files, and the members community where we can continue these conversations together. Everything is linked below, and we would love to have you join us. So the color replacing black in 2026 is brown, not because black is gone, not because black is no longer elegant, but because brown is now taking on the role black used to own. The safe color, the elegant color, the investment color, the color people choose when they want to look put together without trying too hard. But brown does it with warmth, with softness, with depth, with texture. And that is why it matters. Fashion is not only changing what we wear, it is changing how we want elegance to feel. And as always, this is not about becoming someone else. It is about seeing more clearly what already works for you, what already feels aligned, and building that into something stronger over time. Fashion is not about what you wear. It is about how you choose to exist, with intention, with restraint, and with self-trust. We are not collecting tips. We are building identity architecture.